Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a bonus video. This would be the POCO C65 and I'll be putting a tempered glass on this phone. And the first thing I do is get the wipes that was included with the tempered glass. I first wipe it with the wet wipes, then with the dry wipe, I wipe it again. And I recommend that you would put something at the bottom of the phone that it will not move, so it's easier to center the tempered glass, which I forgot to do. And it does come with a dust sticker and a guide sticker. I would usually use the dust sticker to remove dust, like there's a little micro dust that sometimes you would not see. And when you put a tempered glass or any screen protector, you would notice that there would be like a bubbles. That's because of the air or a micro dust that was on the phone. So I really do take my time to clean the phone first before putting the tempered glass or any screen protector on the phone. Then I wipe it again, and I do this step really, really long until I'm satisfied. And on the screen protector or here, I use the tempered glass. There would be sticker. There would be steps. For this tempered glass, there's only one step, which will just remove it halfway first and align it through the phone. And you can just lay it, then remove all the sticker while putting it down. And when you're satisfied, then it's good. When you're not satisfied, you do get to have the guide sticker, which you can use to realign the tempered glass you put or the screen protector you put it in. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.